You're watching Cloudy with a Chance of Pizza by Jason Nappy Weather. Lots of sun today. Temperatures warming up in the 40s, but there is snow coming tomorrow and rain. Get to all that in the forecast in a few minutes. First, a thank you to our sponsor, Bracket Property Services. Provides the highest quality snow and ice removal in Greater Portland. For all needs from commercial to residential, call 207-619-DIRT. Thank you for being our sponsor today. We'll go ahead and throw a pizza in the oven, find out what that mystery pizza is going to be later on in the show. Cannot wait to show you that. Let's get into the forecast now and talk about this storm that is coming our way. And yes, it is going to be on the warmer side today before the storm gets here. So we've got a northwest breeze and temperatures are going to be in the 40s. But later in the week, Thursday, for tomorrow into Friday, we're warming up and then cooling down. So we've got another storm coming for the weekend. I'll get to that too. And then next week we warm right back up again. Look at those temperatures spiking up close to 40 degrees. So yeah, it is going to be an up and down kind of roller coaster ride. Let's talk about the snow coming in. A heavy thump of snow early Thursday before kind of like around daybreak and just after daybreak. And then it changes over to rain at the coastline. So I'll go through this one more time on the loop. And you can go to my Facebook page, subscriber page. You can go to jasonhappyweather.com. I've got a blog up, so if you want to see the hour by hour. But here it is. So this afternoon on your Wednesday, it's sunny, it's dry, it's clear. There's no threat of precip. But tonight, when the clouds come in, and then Thursday morning, right around the time you're waking up in southern Maine, so 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, here comes the snow from the south and the west. So here's the blue, that's snow. And the southern coast is going to be on the snow over to rain pretty quickly side. And then that snow pushes up towards Bangor, by middle of the day and afternoon. And then it's over. Okay, so a good 1 inch and then a 1 to 3 inch stripe, depending on where you are, right? Away from the coastline, especially away from the southern coast, is where that best opportunity is going to be. Then Saturday, here's another storm coming through. Very similar type of storm. More like an inch or so. Nothing incredibly heavy. Saturday a little bit earlier than it is going to be on your Thursday. And then for next week, there's just some light snow and rain coming in with another storm, kind of the Wednesday, Thursday time frame of next week. So I'll just widen it out for a minute to show you that storm for next week coming through. So here's your Saturday storm. And then next week, here's that storm coming through. Right now, I expect it to be more on the rainy side than snow. So this computer model here is showing a little bit more snow, but I expect it to be on the wetter side here. You see that rain coming in on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So obviously storm season not done, but it's nothing like February. Here's the snowfall. I'll go ahead and pop the camera off so you can get a full look at the forecast. There it is, total snowfall, 7 o'clock in the morning Thursday, and this will be over by 6, 7 o'clock at night. I've got 11 o'clock just to be, cover myself there. But it's heavy, wet snow, and it's mostly 1 to 3, except coastline. Southern coast, you're around an inch before it changes over to rain. 1 to 3 inch, though, inland from that is where you're going to see this snow continue to be a thing. So here's the forecast now. Nearly 50 degrees today with rain and snow Thursday. It is a repeat on Saturday. And then a brief cold snap is coming in the forecast for like kind of later to the weekend, like Sunday into Monday of next week. So be prepared. We're not done with winter, not by a long shot. Sun and clouds, breezy, northwest wind 10 to 20 today. So it's not going to feel incredibly warm, even though we're in the mid and upper 40s because of the breeze. But still, temperatures are a good 10, 12 degrees above typical. And sunsets at 5:23, so we're getting a little bit later in the sunsets. Here's the forecast tomorrow. It's snow to rain, wind south 10 to 15. There's your key. That's why we're going over to rain. Inland 38, coast 41, mountains 32. So we'll start off as snow in the morning and then changing over to rain. Except for a really Katahdin region north, I expect you will stay all snow. A small craft up for the Mariners today, tomorrow, with a small craft up. But overall, things relatively quiet. Here's the forecast now. Let me go ahead and pop myself off again and show you that 10-day forecast. So it's snow and rain mountains. The western mountains are going to mix over to rain. The northern mountains will stay all snow. but it won't be incredibly heavy. You'll be closer to that, 1 to 3. Mostly cloudy on Friday. Saturday, it is a snow shower situation. Sunday, much colder, and to Monday too. So going sub-zero. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. Snow and rain again Wednesday and Thursday. I expect this to be relatively light. Snow to rain on Thursday, and then cooling off for the end of next week into the next weekend coming for obviously the first weekend, second weekend of March. The first weekend of March is Saturday. So 38 snow and rain Thursday for inland. Mostly sunny on Friday. Snow to rain again Saturday. This is pretty light. And Sunday, much colder. So more of an advisory criteria at most situation for these storms. Mostly sunny. We're cooling off Sunday, Monday. We're going to have some ice around. Obviously, things refreezing. But no ice falling from the sky. Wednesday, Thursday next week, there's your opportunity for, I could see, a quarter to a half inch of precip next week. Mostly, though, rain showers. Now, for the coastline, it's snow to rain, 41-33. The southern coast especially sees very little snow from this. And then Friday, mostly sunny, snow to rain again. So once again, around an inch or less at the southern coast. Moving up down east, you got a little bit more snow, but not a lot. And then we're cooling off. Next week, we warm right back up, make a run for 50 again next week with rain showers coastline. I don't have any snow in the forecast there for the coast next week. So it is going to be an up and down kind of spring preview situation as we get into early March and end February. So let's go ahead now and pull a pizza out of the oven. And this one is down in Massachusetts. Took a ride down to Chelsea. So Chow Pizza and Pasta. It was rated the number 2 pizza in the country by Yelp. So I checked it out with my good friend there, Justin, meteorologist Justin Godnick. And this is a Neapolitan, fresh mozzarella, big crust pizza, right? And the flavor of this crust, I just remember if you want to take a road trip about an hour, hour and 20 minutes down to Chelsea and check out Chow, it's worth the drive. If you don't have to leave Maine, right, for pizza, but if you want to, get out of town for a little while, maybe for a dinner run, it's a great pizza. It was a great time, right? I loved that pizza. Had a great time. Oh, thank you for watching. Jason Nappy Weather at nappicast.com. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you next time.